This conference will now be recorded.
Perfect. So, first of all, very good morning and welcome to the exciting world of Salesforce. The first thing that I want to do is that I want to start this day with a good news. The first thing, we will start with the good news. And the good news is that, right? Right, let me go ahead and start with the good news. My previous batch, which is just completed on Friday, and we started this batch today, right? You can see that Sunday, right? She has mailed me saying that she got an offer from Capgemini with 10 lakhs package. From a Wipro, she got 9.5 lakhs package in Pune. She's from 105 batch, right? Talkative lady, if you remember. She used to be very talking in the class, right? Which one I need to suggest, right? I'm starting with the good news. Reason, right? A very clear-cut message I want to give in the starting of the class itself, right? You are in a right technology. It's just not sake of making you joining this course, right? I'm not telling you this. These are not one. In the demo class, I've shown you a lot of them. Hi Rupam, this is Dimple from 109. You can see that I got placed in Accenture with 11.5 lakh per annum package. 3.5 years experience, you can expect a reasonable salary of 7.5 to 9.5 lakh package. Anybody with a gap of 3 years, anybody with a gap of 3 years,
This conference will now be recorded.
you can go ahead and you can get this much salary. And I mean it. It's not the sake of because this call is getting recorded now. In between, if there's any unethical, right, or I go to the real time, I will not be recording, right? So this is what I can start with. My classroom will give you a confidence of 3.5 years. That's exactly the confidence that I'll be building in you. And you can confidently, right, put 3.5 years of experience from your existing job. Manipulation of truth. I'm not telling you to lie. I'm telling you to manipulate the truth a little bit. That's it. And you would be able to go ahead and get it. With this, I start the class. Right? Now, somebody was, looking for my introduction. Somebody wants either to give their marriage proposal of their daughter to me or for himself. So there we go. That's my complete, what do you call it, introduction. I have already given this introduction in my demo class. I don't think that I need to waste the time here, but a very short. My name is Rupam. I'm a certified trainer. When I say certified trainer, right, I take corporate training for HCL. I have taken training for Accenture Hyderabad, Tech Mahindra Gurgaon, right, Capgemini Mumbai and Pune. I have 1800 official hours of training. I'm a 9.8 GPA A++ trainer. Not only that, I'm working for a very big multinational company as a solution architect. So I'm trainer, official trainer, plus working in a real-time environment for a very big multinational company. And you'll come to know that as I start, you're with me, you move with me, you'll be able to see that where I'm working because I will be walking you through the real-time environment, to the real-time stories, issues, right? How to troubleshoot them. All these things with me you will learn, right? So that's all about me. Now, coming to the little bit introduction of Salesforce, I know that a couple of them who have attended my demo class, for you, it might be a repetitive session, right? Couple of topics, but definitely it is worth enough to review that. So don't get bored. We will have only half an hour class today. And for the next 1 hour, we'll be, clearing your doubts. I will give you 30 minutes today, right? From 7:30 onwards to 8 o'clock, you will be having completely doubt session. Bombard with me all the doubts. Make sure that today you clear your doubts. You come with a fresh mind from tomorrow with a determination of joining this course. I definitely don't want people with a dilemma. Join అవ్వాలా వద్దా, మంచిగా ఉందా లేదా, జాబ్ వస్తుందా లేదా, ఫీ పే చేయాలా వద్దా, ఈ ట్రైనర్ మంచోడా కాదా, వీడికి వచ్చా లేదా, English translation. Shall I join or not? This course is good or not? Whether this trainer is knowledgeable or not? Shall I pay the fee or not? All these confusions I want to clear today. If you're joining this course, you need to have first thumb rule is that trust on the medicine. Whichever medicine in the world you take, if you don't have a trust on the doctor and the medicine, that medicine doesn't work. Yes, everyone agrees. If you don't trust your lawyer, you can't win the case. So the same thing I want to now start with. You need to trust the course, you need to trust the trainer. If you don't have that faith and trust on the course as well as on the trainer, how much real time I teach you, how much I go deep down in the subject, it will not get into your brain because you don't have a trust and faith. And that's exactly what I want to build in today's class. Trust building session, right? That is the reason couple of the things will be repeated. By the way, Salesforce is world's #1 CRM software. By default, Salesforce is offering CRM. If you remember in the demo class also, I've typed and I've showed you. I told you anything that I speak in my class will have a proof. Without proof, I don't talk. And proof is something which you can find. I definitely don't believe in the slides and everything, walking you beautiful, fancy slides to catch you as a bakra, as a scapegoat. No, you are not a scapegoat in my class, right? You have come with a lot of expectations, hope, and trust. And my work is to look at you and keep that trust and faith not only on me, also on this technology. That is what I am here for. Everybody has come with a purpose. Nobody has come here for a knowledge. Definitely not. Anybody is here for a knowledge? No. Everybody has come here for a job. Somebody, eagerly waiting to get a job because family is looking for a marriage proposal. Somebody is already working but not happy with your current job, either with the salary or with the profile, right? Somebody eagerly wants to move from a non-IT job to IT job because that is a very high salary scalable job, right? So somebody has a lot of EMIs on their head and with the current salary not able to cope up. Somebody is dying with job threat because of COVID or any other project issues. Everybody has come here with certain purposes, right? And I need to make sure that I keep those trust and faith that you have put on me on the top. That is a priority, right? So with that, first thing, you can see that Salesforce offers one of the most comprehensive feature lists of any CRM on the market, right? Starting, I just type top CRM in Google and these are the things I'm getting. You can go one by one. See, I'm opening everything, all the links, which I did in my demo class also. People who have not seen the demo class, I will highly recommend you to please watch the demo class because here I'll give you a quick summary of the demo. Right? See, I'm opening each and every tool. It's not that I'm biased, that I'm opening only the link which I love or which I know it's #1. See, by the way, everywhere, if you open any one of the links, see, Salesforce #1 in front of you, Salesforce logo. Best CRM software, open. Salesforce #2, best CRM software, open. Salesforce, see the score, see this dot, see the circles filled, 4.5, right? Best for advanced CRM, see. Next, open your eyes, rank 3, Salesforce, next, right? In some website it will be there, some it will be not, that's okay, right? We don't mind, right? Next, you'll be able to see that most of the link will say the best software is Salesforce. See that? Salesforce. See, where is your SAP? Oracle. Pegasoft. Search by your own eyes. It's not that, don't trust me. You do your research and see, right? Best CRM software. See, Salesforce on the top, right? Why to go this much, right? I'm closing everything. You will see that almost out of 10 link I open, 7 to 8 will say Salesforce is top. Go ahead and type SALES, Salesforce market share. Click on images if you don't have a time to read. With your own eyes, you can see. Open anything, any one of the image. You'll be able to see where Salesforce is going and where other technologies are. Where is Oracle? Where is SAP? Where is Microsoft? See, any. Close your eyes, inky pinky ponky, father has a donkey. Wherever it stops, open it. You'll find it. Forbes has certified that Salesforce is world's #1 at this moment. It is having a market share. Rupam, perfect. Tell me, which are the customers who are using Salesforce? Right? Which are the clients? Because project comes only when there is a client. I will get job only when there is a client. Any verticals, guys, I'm taking worldwide now. This page will never come to an end, right? Any, you can go ahead and you can see world's big companies are with Salesforce. How today for a 3.5 years, no technology for a 3.5 years will give you 7 to 9 lakhs package. You name any one technology, if you run Java, .NET, Hadoop, right, database testing, anything you learn, for a 3.5 years, no technology will give you up to 9 lakhs package, 11 lakhs package if the company is quite bigger. Why? Because the clients are big. OLX is using Salesforce. IDFC in India is using Salesforce. You can see Bharat Petroleum is using Salesforce. Open it. Fenna Cement. I don't know. You might be knowing it. I'll just walk in. Name any big client. Saint Gobain, Potter, SpiceJet, right? Redbus, Puma. You can go to this link and you can check it out. These many clients, Times of India, Sodaxo, right? Clear Trip, Clear Tax, right? C8 Tires, Godrej, right? Fevicol, Pidilite, Franklin Templeton, Toyota Motors, Sony. You take any industry, guys, any industry, automotive industry, right? Education industry, financial industry, government industry, insurance industry, non-profitable, transportation, hospitality industry, everybody is using Salesforce. From big banks like American Express, Western Union Money Transfer, Barclays, right? See, everybody, it's now you can go to this page one by one. Check by yourself whether Salesforce has a big client base or not. Big client base. These projects are with Infosys, TCS, whatever you're able to see. Puma project, Puma, right? These projects are with big companies. And that is the reason they are able to pay you big salary. Vodafone, the beer that you're drinking, right? Snapdeal, Coca-Cola, right? Flipkart is on Salesforce. All these orders that you raise, Dunkin' Donuts, KFC, Sony. Now, I need not to go further. You have a full day time to do this. Simple word. Salesforce is offering CRM plus a development platform. A platform where you can develop a software. Hey, I'm an Apollo hospital. I don't need a CRM software. What should I do with a CRM? Give me a hospital software. Can you build hospital software as per Apollo requirement? Yes. That is what you'll be learning with me in next 3.5 months. I will be teaching you how to develop, design, customize, automate, right? A software for Apollo Hospital. Complete end-to-end, whether it's a finance, whether it's an HR, whether it's a trade and logistics, whether it's a patient management, operation management, diagnostic management, right? Everything. I want a single software. Your answer is Salesforce. You don't need to install module wise, HR module separate paise, separate project, separate money, right? No company is only big companies are rich to invest separate, right? Somebody is asking, I know that. That's the reason. It would be an ERP, right? Yes, it's a full-fledged ERP, enterprise resource planning. All the resources, whether it's an HR resource, whether it's a finance resource, whether it's a production resource, everything can be connected together in a single software. It's not like SAP that you can only install SAP HR. You can only install SAP Finance, FICO, finance controlling. It's not like, no company will implement half. Everybody wants a full-fledged software, right? So hence, Salesforce is end-to-end application, which will connect your patient, which will connect your doctor, which will connect your HR, which will connect diagnostic, which will connect your operation, which will connect your inpatient, outpatient, right? Pharmacy, everything into a single umbrella. Answer is Salesforce. That is the reason why Salesforce is ruling the market today. Other only offer CRM. Here, CRM plus development platform. You don't like CRM? Kick it, throw it in the dustbin, and start building it. And you are the developers. You will be developing a software hospital management 2.0 if your client is Apollo Hospital. You will develop airline management 2.0, 1.0 for SpiceJet Airlines if your client is SpiceJet. Everybody is able to understand whatever I'm speaking here? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
Right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Another 2 more minutes. Right? 2 more minutes. Then the session will be open for next 30 minutes for doubt. Right? This course cover consulting, admin, right? Mute please, Samhita. Madam, mute please. Thank you. Right? Consulting, admin, right? Development and integration. This course covers this. It doesn't cover Lightning and LWC. Lightning and LWC is a separate course, which I've been calling it out in my demo, and now also I'm calling it out. Can I join Lightning and LWC right now? No, you need to have at least 25% knowledge on development, Apex. Here we'll be using a programming language called as Apex. Rupam, I don't have any programming knowledge. I'm a non-programmer. I'm from a testing background. I'm from a mainframe background. I'm from a teaching background. I'm from a marketing background. I'm from blah 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 background. Guys, do not worry. Keep the trust and faith on me. Rupam, am I need to learn Java? Am I need to join a Java course separately? Am I need to learn Java from Google or YouTube? No, you don't need to do anything. You just need to learn only one course, that is Salesforce with Rupam. That's it. I will start from ground zero. You have my complete assurance and guarantee. People who have not done programming will start doing programming with me. It's very simple. Programming is not tough. It is tough to find a trainer who can teach you programming so easily. That is the only difference, right? So এইটার সঙ্গে আমি দেখলাম 7:30 বেজে গেল। এখন আমি আর কি করব? এখন তোমাদের জন্য সেশনটা ওপেন করতে হবে, যেখানে তোমরা সবাই ডাউট জিজ্ঞেস করবে।
So you are talking in Bengali, sir?
98% of the people didn't understood. Rupam just started speaking kosha washa mosha mosha kosh something he started doing. 2% of the class would have understood. Those who are Bengali, those who are Odia, or those who are Assami, they would have little bit understood. Why you didn't understood? ఇదే ఇప్పుడు నేను తెలుగులో మాట్లాడితే సగం మందికి అర్థమవుతుంది. Now, earlier 98% didn't understood. Now 98% understood. Same thing is opposite. when I spoke in Bengali, 98% no. అదే తెలుగులో మాట్లాడితే 98% yes. Why? Because your brain has a Telugu dictionary. Every word that I'm speaking, ఇప్పుడు, now, నేను, me, Teluguలో language, మాట్లాడితే, talking, the words are going to your brain and it's reflecting back as an output. Hence, you're able to understand. Because you don't have an English or Bengali dictionary, you're not able to understand. Kosho, mosho, mosho. Immediately, your brain is receiving the word akhon, judi, ami, akhon. Immediately, it's going to your brain. Line number 1, syntax error, word not found, reflected back. Judi, line number 2, word, judi, not found, syntax error, written. Your brain is writing this with errors. And you're not able to understand. And finally, you started ignoring. Error, 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 kink, error, kink, error. The same thing with Apex or Java language. You don't know the dictionary today. They also have a dictionary, right? It's quite simple. The way you learn another language, the way today you know English, today you know Telugu. Few people might be knowing their mother tongue as Marathi, Bengali, Odia, Tamil. In your brain, 3 dictionaries are there. I want to add the 4th dictionary in your brain called Apex. As soon as I'll be adding this 4th dictionary in your brain, you see that you will start doing the programming. I will start your programming from 0. How to print your name, how to add 2 numbers, how to go ahead and find the greater of 3 numbers, n factorial, sum of n even numbers, right? Palindrome words, whatever you might have did in your school or college days, we will start from 0, right? So don't worry about your programming, right? Have that trust and faith on the trainer. You are in a complete safe hand. Even if you don't know programming, relax, cool. Rupam is there to teach me, right? This is my plane. I am the pilot. You are the passengers. You just need to follow my instruction. Don't try to follow your brain. Don't try to open the emergency exit and jump from that plane unless until I tell you to when to jump. Till the time you will not. Right? 3 minutes over. Now, right? Don't ask repetitive doubt. Don't try to think that, right? There are almost 100 plus students here in this class, right? Listen to others' doubt also. Then compare your doubt, whether it's a repetitive or not. Somebody will say, I'm from a testing tool background. I have 7 years of gap or testing tool. Am I right to this course? That means this question is fit for everyone. Those who are from other background also. So don't ask me repetitive questions and waste the time. Please, it's my humble request. Focus on others' question. Don't try to be eager to, ask, unmute mic and ask, right? Listen to others also. Yep. Now for the next 30 minutes or 26 minutes, the forum is yours. Tell me. And after asking the doubt, immediately mute your mic. By the way, your mic are very dangerous. You're using your laptop mic or your mobile mic, which are so sensitive, then it catches the voice 20 meters away from you. Whatever is happening in your kitchen room, drawing room, washroom, your pakka auntie shouting, neighbor's voice is also caught. So be careful, right? For the security purposes, I have already disabled the cam so that if you want to share your camera also, you cannot do that. Perfect. Go ahead. Doubts?
Hello, bro.
Yes, come on.
Bro, present I'm working in Wipro mapping process.
That's good.
I had experience of 13 months or 14 months. It is useful for
Perfect.
Salesforce also.
What is your position in the paper?
Analyst.
Perfect. You have been last 1 year, 4 months, you have been working with Salesforce, right? That is what you told me.
No. It is
No, I
working
heard.
mapping.
Sorry. Right? I heard that you're working for Salesforce for last 14 months and now you're looking for a change. You're looking
Okay,
for a
yeah.
better growth. That is what I heard, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. That's it. So Because you see that your position says you're analyst. You have been business analyst, Salesforce. That is was your profile, and you have been, you know, uh, you have been doing a ticket, whichever is, let's say that you have been supporting your client with Salesforce issues. You have been handling level 1, level 2 tickets, all application related issues of Salesforce, right? This is what you have been doing
Yeah,
for the last 14
yeah,
months.
yeah.
See, perfect. You have your answer there.
Okay,
Good.
okay, bro. I got it.
Right. Thank you. Next.
Hi,
Yes,
Rupam, sir.
Rupam,
Good
you
morning.
said 1 minute. Pavan Kalyan. Oh, Pavan Kalyan is there in my class.
Sorry.
My pleasure. Pavan sir, right? Rupam, you said that you will be teaching lightning except LWC. No, I will be your end-to-end trainer. Remember that. This course, the money that you're paying, the course that you're joining at morning 7 o'clock will cover only this. I'll be the person who will be teaching you lightning and LWC. Right? That is my core area in the real time. I'm an integration LWC. That is what I'm working as of today. But that is not a part of this course. That's a separate course, will happen on Saturdays and Sundays. Saturday 2 hours, Sunday 2 hours. Right? So I'll be teaching. So don't think that I'll not be teaching lightning. And yes, I am the only person who will be teaching lightning and LWC in the whole Ameerpet market. I can say in India, there are a couple of trainers and I'm among them. Tell me. Yes.
Yeah, okay, sir. Yeah, okay, sir.
Hi, sir.
Yes.
Myself, Jitendra, sir.
Yep. Tell me.
So I'm having almost 14 years of experience in QA, and my present
Mhm.
designation is QA lead.
Mhm.
So I have experience in both, API testing as well as manual testing.
Perfect. You just told me that you have been working on Salesforce testing for last 8 years. Earlier than your last 4-5 years, you have been in Salesforce testing, right? You have been writing unit classes. You have been using test methods. You have been running those test scripts, right, for the last 4 years. Before than
Yes,
that,
sir.
I just heard that you were in Selenium or automated testing. You have
Yes,
fish
sir.
API testing, right? Perfect.
Yes, sir.
You have 14 years of experience in, industry of testing with 4-5 years in Salesforce.
Yeah, I
You are
understood,
good
sir.
and
Thank you.
eligible. You are good and
Thank you.
eligible for a good salary hike of 15 to 16 lakhs package per annum.
Okay.
Welcome.
Yeah, sir. I mean, for me, I should have to learn a developer module also, right? Along with admin.
Everybody in this class has to learn developer module also. Even if you choose, if you don't want to choose your career on development, still you have to learn this module. Still,
Sure, sir. Sure.
right?
Thank you very much.
Why? Show me the proof, Rupam. I am opening the official documentation of administration. Just give me a second. Can
Okay,
you
sir.
see in the screen, there is a ADM 301 advanced administration paper from Salesforce,
Yeah. Yes, sir.
right? Now, if I go to the syllabus sheet, keep watching the syllabus sheet, right? I'm zooming in. This is 301 certification syllabus. Can you see Apex programming language overview, Visual Force overview, force.com, web API, web controls? Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Right? And these
Yes,
are
sir.
all technical. See Visual Force towards the bottom, introduction to Visual Force framework, component, controllers. See, even though it's an admin paper, on that you have programming. It's an admin paper. It's not a development paper. It's an admin certification, ADM 301 advanced administration. So you have to go ahead and you have to learn end to end. So don't think that if I learn admin, that'll be enough for me and I'll lift the course and I will join a job. You might get it. I'm not saying you will not get it, right? If you're lucky enough, you'll get it. But you might not be able to survive because in the real time, all the tickets, issues that come will go to the admin. And how will you understand if somebody says that, hey, my order number is not linked to the patient. I see that there's a receipt, but the receipt is not connected to the patient. Can you please investigate? Where will you start?
Yes, sir.
So it is must and mandate that you need to learn programming also.
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Definitely, sir. Thank you very much.
Sir, this is the
Yeah, tell me, the lady, our honor.
I'm
Go
a
ahead.
Sir, I'm having 8 years of gap and
See,
and
one
I'm
minute,
having.
madam, 1 minute,
Okay.
madam. It's not a repetitive question. Everybody is saying the same thing.
Sir,
I'm
the question has not been completed, sir. I listen your demo. Just please give me a minute, sir.
Go ahead.
And and I want to work from home. Will it possible to have a career in this
I don't
field?
know. I don't know. I'm
Oh,
not a hiring
okay.
company. How should I tell you?
Oh,
Please ask some reasonable question. If I'm
okay, sir.
hiring you, I will tell you whether I will make you work from home or make you work from office. Please ask this question in the interview with Accenture,
Is there any
TCS.
chances? Is there
After
any
your,
chances in this field
I
who
don't
are?
know. I don't know.
Okay, sir.
I mean, this is not the question you should ask me, right? We are not hiring you. It is the hiring company. When you go for an interview, after you give the interview, towards the end of the interview, they will ask you, do you have any questions? Right? Every interviewer, whether it's HCL, TCS, you get a call and you complete your interview. Towards the end, they will ask you, do you have any questions? There you ask him this question. Hey, yes, will you allow me to work from home forever? Right?
Sir,
Yes.
as an
Hey, how?
experienced person, I'm just asking you, sir, is there
No.
anybody
Answer
who
is
are
answer is
new to
fact is no.
I'm new to this field, sir. That's
No company will allow you to work from home because of the pandemic.
yes, sir.
They might allow you for next 6 months or 1.5 years. Due to this
Okay,
COVID-19, officer doesn't mean that lifelong they will allow you to work from home.
okay, sir.
No. Then there is no concept of team. It's a
Okay,
team
sir.
building. Work is a team. Work is not, you're not an individual contributor. You're a team contributor. Half story is given to you. Some other story is given to someone else. After you complete the story, then only the next person will be able to start. So there is a concept of team, and
Yes, sir.
development is a team building exercise,
Yes, sir.
right?
Thank you, sir.
So
Thank you so much for saying me this, clearing this doubt, frankly, sir. Because
that's okay.
there are
No
so
problem.
many questions, and they
Thank
are
you, ma'am.
saying that you
Madam,
can
thank you.
proceed. You can
Thank you. We are
proceed.
running out of time. Thank you. Thank you. I got it.
Okay,
I take that honor.
thank
Thank
you.
you. Bye-bye. Right. Next.
Thank you.
Guys,
Yeah,
questions.
sir, Praveen here. I'm
Yes,
from
tell me.
Hyderabad. Yeah, I
Uh-huh.
do have around 8 years of experience, 6 years of experience from HR, and later I moved into the vendor operations. So, completely have researched about the Salesforce. It's a now booming technology comparing with all the technology.
Question. Come to the
Yeah, yeah,
question. Come
yeah,
to the
yeah,
question, please. Don't
yeah,
beat the bush around.
yeah, sorry, sir. Yeah. Sir,
I
after
told you I
completion
have
of
100+ students. They are waiting.
yeah,
Right?
yeah, so, so after
Yep.
completion of this course, we do require to get a certification like administration or
Right.
development certification.
So you should ask me directly, why is this much so much big story?
So,
Directly would have asked, is the certification
yeah,
required or not? One answer is over. Right?
yeah,
Please be professional. Be stick to the question. Don't beat the bush around.
yeah,
Right?
sure. Yeah,
Coming to the answer, is certification is mandate. Certification
certification.
definitely add an advantage,
Okay,
because if you are a certified candidates, then
okay,
automatically the client will have a trust and faith that yes, this guy is not a waste fellow. At least he has a certification. That means he knows something. He can go
okay,
and tell the client that I have a pool of certified resources. Your billing rate increases. If you're a non-certified, your billing rate to the client will be $40. But if you're certified, the company will charge client at $55. $10 he will increase because you're a certified candidate. So
okay,
certification always has an advantage.
okay,
However, knowledge plays a vital role. So
okay,
if you have a knowledge, then you don't need. If you are very strong in subject and everything, then it's not that you'll not get a job. Definitely you'll get a job. So
okay. So after
certification
completion
is
of this,
always an advantage.
yeah,
You need not to wait. You need not to wait. If you are determined that you want to join Salesforce, I will highly recommend to complete your certification. If you want to complete the certification in a crook way, then do it right now. If no, then wait for the class to happen, right? We will give you dumps, right? We will
okay,
give
sir.
you a lot of syllabus sheet, all this guidance, whatever I'm showing you how to write, we will explain. We'll do that,
Yeah, sure, sir. Sure. Sir,
right?
after this completion, this admin and development, you should be specialized. There will be a sub modules, right? In the specialized modules like Service Cloud, Sales Cloud, and
Please watch
CPQ.
the demo. Please watch the demo. Already this has been discussed in the demo. I will highly recommend to watch this in the part of the demo. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yes. By the way, I'm covering it. I'm covering all those modules: Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Community Cloud. Everything is part of this course.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Thanks.
Any other questions?
Fine. I will discuss. I mean, after completion of this
Thank
course,
you.
I will.
Thank you. Thank you. Next.
Thank
Hey Rupam, will you be teaching
Yes.
Salesforce flows? I checked the syllabus and it wasn't mentioned that
What
about
is that?
anything about flows.
No. Yeah. Flows is there. Sorry. We will have a complete automation. I'll be teaching you RPA with complete robotic process with trigger flow, schedule flow, system flow, screen flow, auto launch flow. All the flows are part. Guys, about your syllabus, close your eyes. Have that trust and faith on me. I'm not leaving
Thank
anything.
you.
Everything is covered. Any other questions?
Hi Rupam, this is regarding the certification. Like, do we get any, since the certification cost is high, do we have any communities for Salesforce to join, or do we get any kind of coupons for that?
You can search in Google. Coupons are widely available in Google. You need not wait for us. Search in Google,
Okay.
you'll find it. Right? You need not. You don't need our help to do that.
Okay, thank you.
Next.
Hi Rupam, this is
Hi, Rupam.
Bhaskar.
Yes, tell me. Go ahead. Don't waste time. Go ahead.
Yeah, Rupam, this is Bhaskar. I have 6+ experience in GIS field, I mean electrical and navigation field, and my qualification is diploma.
Mhm.
Is this useful for interview process and joining for? It will be helpful for this
Your
experience.
education currently, because you have 6 years experience, your education will not play vital role. You
Okay.
have to put 3 years that you have worked in Salesforce, and it's for everyone. Whoever is willing to ask the same question again, that I have 3 years gap, I have 4 years, I'm on electrical, I'm on testing, I'm on teaching, I'm on banking, I'm on X, Y, Z. It is for everyone. One single answer. If you are from Dixprint Technology, you will put 3.5 years on Salesforce that you have been working. Will I be able to survive? Yes, you'll be able to survive. Well, if they ask real-time question, then it's my responsibility to teach you the real time. So
How can I
you
put
will
that
be placed.
experience in 3 years?
How? Why you cannot? How can you put means?
I mean, actually, my field is totally different, right?
Then please do not join this course. Disconnect the class. Thank you.
No,
Go and
actually,
continue with the same field. అదే ఫీల్డ్ లో కంటిన్యూ అవ్వండి. ఎందుకు వస్తున్నారు ఈ ఫీల్డ్ లో?
no, I have to change this field, right? That's why I'm in this class.
See, one way you're telling that how can I, and second way you want to learn. Then if you cannot, then don't join this course. No, as simple as that. You
So
have to
is
put
this-
ఇంకేమైనా ఆప్షన్ ఉందా? Do you have any other option?
No.
Then why are you asking this reverse question? How can I?
Yeah.
You have to, right?
Okay.
Guys, couple of times you might feel that I'm little rude, but I'm not. I'm trying to break that glass with a hard hammer. The glass that you have, a hesitation glass that I am in testing. How can I put 3.5 years in Salesforce? Tell me. If you cannot, then don't join this course. No, as simple as that. Continue with testing or no other course. If you want to come to Salesforce, then you have to show that you have worked in Salesforce, right? Right? You have to show that fake. Right? I don't want to use this word, but you're forcing me to use this word.
This conference will now be recorded.
Please go ahead. Any other questions?
Yeah, Rupam. Hi, Rupam.
Yes, tell me.
Yeah, currently the most of the companies hiring the Salesforce requirement.
Correct.
Like after the completion of this course, the hiring margin will be like now or anything.
It will be always there, so don't worry about it. Currently, the market
I
is
think,
very good. Salesforce
I
market is
think
very good. For the next 10
after
years,
the pandemic, the
don't
hiring will
worry.
be
More.
There is
It'll be
nothing
more.
wrong in that.
It'll be more. You'll get
Yeah.
more
Okay.
opportunities. Now it's a less opportunities. You can't
Yeah,
even
that's
imagine,
good.
right? So
Yeah.
why you're asking this question? You could just go to SFDC jobs in India. Just type this. Go ahead and see. Google is hiring. Deloitte is hiring, right? See, there are 20,329 Salesforce job at this moment in Naukri.com. HCL is hiring. See, HCL, IBM,
Ah,
you name big companies. Keep watching. IBM is hiring. Accenture is hiring. See, 2 to 7 years, 2 to 6 years, 2 to 4 years. You see, Accenture, right? IBM, all big companies are hiring, guys.
yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Rupam.
Right? Welcome. Next question.
Hi Rupam, how can I become
Yes, tell
a
me.
Salesforce consultant?
After learning this course, after doing a certification, you'll become a Salesforce consultant.
Okay.
Right? Next. Hey, people who are typing, Vishal, right? People who are typing in the chat, I'll come to you later, okay? Don't worry about it. Chat questions, I'll come later, right? First, let me answer the people who are asking orally. Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, Rupam, this is Vinod. And like, what are the minimum basic hours should we practice after the session?
Minimum, you have to practice for 2.5 hours a day. After my class is over, minimum time you have to invest is every day 2.5 hours.
Thanks for that.
Perfect. Next.
Hi, sir. This is Ruksa.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, how many certification we need to get for the job?
Madam, if you do one certification costs $200 plus taxes. That is equals to, in Indian money, one certification is 15,000, right?
Okay.
Whatever your course fee you're paying, that is a certification for one exam, which is basic paper. Any advanced paper, all 02 paper cost $400 plus taxes, which is equals to 32,000 rupees for one certification. So I don't think that you will be able to invest for 2-3 certification. One is enough.
Okay, sir.
Right? Next.
Hi Rupam. Hi Rupam, this is Siva. I'm the US citizen and working in PeopleSoft from past 25 years.
That's good.
The thing is, do you have any HR or finance modules in Salesforce right now?
No. In this, we have by default CRM, right? It's not like an SAP or not like a PeopleSoft or not like a Siebel that you have a module basis. Every company will investment in a module. Every company wants all the modules. But in SAP, right, Siebel, PeopleSoft, they have module-wise deployment. That means every module is a project. That is the reason all the clients are moving away from Siebel and PeopleSoft, because they want a combined solution. And Salesforce offers you a combined solution. You can build the solution as per the client requirement.
Okay.
Right? It's not what you offer, it's what they want. In Salesforce, it's what they want. In other, like SAP, Siebel, PeopleSoft, it's what they offer. They offer HR, you have to take HR. They offer finance, you have to take finance. For every module, they have to invest billion rupees. Finally, they are bankrupt.
Yeah,
right?
it's implementation is very costly.
Very costly. Implementation is very costly. It's too costly. Only big companies can implement. In Salesforce, everyone from a small shop or a auntie, a married woman doing a sari business at home, selling saris to all the society people, she can also afford to take a Salesforce solution. To a company like Coca-Cola or American Express, they can also. So it's for all. That's the whole thing. Right?
Thank you.
Perfect.
Thanks for clarifying.
Any other questions?
No, thank you.
So, hi Rupam. I have a question regarding this experience. So, can I ask in the recorded or will you keep it in the off?
What do you mean? What is the question of the experience? We are not going to give you. If you're thinking that, I mean, I'm just guessing. You're looking for an experience certificate from us?
No.
Then?
See, when we keep this experience for 3.5 years, so
Mhm.
we would be doing some projects, live projects, which we have done in that, which we are showing that
Correct.
3.5 years.
Correct.
So normally, which company projects do we get? Do we get a company which we require, or is there any just let's say if I am moving from IBM to some Capgemini, so when I attend the interview in Capgemini, they will ask
Mhm.
you what is the project that you have done in IBM. But
Correct.
in IBM, my profile is completely different. So I just learned the course and I'm putting some experience and moving from different role to Salesforce to Capgemini. So those guys are asking me what is the
That's okay. That's
experience.
okay. That's okay. It's getting too long. Too long. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Cut the question to the short. Always hit the point. Right?
So now, if I want some experience projects in IBM, do we get it or how
No.
is it?
No. You cannot. How can you get it? There are so many companies. You're talking about IBM. There's Accenture, HCL, TCS, Capgemini, Sierra Atlantic, Dell, Deloitte, CSE. Right? There are 101 companies. Tell me how many projects I should give you. Wrong
No, that's
expectation. It's a wrong expectation.
if I'm moving from IBM to some
You
other
move
company.
from X to Y, doesn't make any difference. You move from X company to Y company, your interview will be based on your subject and the project that you have worked in the past, or they might ask you with the real-time scenarios. Almost all projects will have, right, 60 to 70% same requirement. In my class, I will give you 2 real-time projects, which I have already discussed in the demo. You will get 2 real-time projects, right? Let me open my demo session class, right? 2 real-time projects you will get. Let me look for the demo class. So one would be at low, one would be at medium, which everyone can perform, everyone can do, medium complexity. And the other project will be, right? Other project will be, sorry, one with a low, other with a medium, right? Let me see, where is your demo class? 22 workbench. This is what, this is
But the
lightning
reason why I asked you this is because from one of my friends, I understand like HRs
That's
would
okay.
be.
Thank you. Thanks. Right. I'm sorry to cut you here. Right. I don't need the reason. I know it. What you're asking. So you can't see when I'm taking the interview. I will ask from question from my project perspective. That's a native behavior. Right. If you take the interview of a candidate, you will ask from your own experience, whatever the project you have worked. That's obviously right. If HCL is taking an interview, he will ask from the right 24th OF115. We had the demo on Thursday, that is 24th. Correct. This is the demo video. Last class, last demo I'm opening. Right. So that is where I play a vital role. That is where I play a vital role. Where right. I'm stopping. I'm playing from the video. You can see that. Point E, 2 real-time projects live, 1 complexity level minimum, 2nd complexity level medium. 15 days, there'll be 2 to 3 weeks project session class. What happens in the real time? Who is who in the real time? What is the story? What is epic? What is sprint? What is grooming call? Who is a project manager? Who is a subject matter expert? Who is a solution architect? What is my role? Where I'll be, right? Complete end-to-end real-time environment I will show you. 3 weeks, right? This was the demo class, right? Here, somebody asked, will you be covering Sales Cloud, Marketing Cloud? Point number 2, consulting, Sales Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Service Cloud, CRM, CPQ, CLM. We'll be covering. Class starts from 28th today. All the details are here. Monday to Friday, time 7 o'clock. I will highly recommend you to please watch the demo video. Because see, RPA, robotics, somebody asked, will you cover flow? Yes. We will start with introduction. We'll go to the consulting. Then we will go to the administration, then development, then integration. Yes, tell me.
Yeah, Rupam, I didn't receive the recording video for now.
Please contact admin. Definitely, right? They will help you on that. They will give you the videos. No issues at all.
Sure.
Right?
Okay.
Perfect. Anybody has any questions?
Hi, Rupam.
Yes, tell me.
Actually, this is regarding my experience. Please don't be arrogant. Actually, you told you'll give the course, right, for 3.5 months, but we are not aware about the companies or any experience. Like, how should we get the fake experience?
Wrong question.
I think.
Wrong question.
What I meant is, like, we are new to this Salesforce thing, right? We are not aware of about in which companies should we keep, like, we got this.
That's okay. I got it. I already told. No, wrong question. Right? That you have to know by yourself. If everything we do, then what will you do? We will only tell you everything, right? You need to have your peer supports. Wait.
Yeah.
Let me complete. Right?
Yep.
Let me complete. In the peer support, you have to know from your friends, seniors, right? Your circle you have to build in the classroom, right? You have so many 100 students, right? That is called team building. You have to know. You have to find it out. Those things, please do not expect from us. Right? Once again, I'm calling this out. Fake experience letter, right? All these things, please. It's my humble request, right? Let's not get into that. That all you have to manage. How you will manage, life will teach you. In this 3.5 months, automatically you will learn. That I need not to tell you. You will learn by yourself. In another, by end of the course, right? Whoever is asking me the doubt, she will know, right? Where to get, how to get, who are the consulting services, what are their numbers, everything you'll get it by yourself. Right? Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
So you will understand by yourself. Wait, you have just entered in the market, no? So automatically you'll understand.
Okay, Rupam, thank you.
Right. Next. Anybody has any other questions? Anybody has any other questions? By the way, my little champ has come on the floor with me. Right? He was started crawling and he came here. Looks like that he's also interested in Salesforce course. He just crawled and he came to me with a hand. So tell me, any other doubts, guys?
Sir.
So, okay, go ahead.
So this is Madhurima. So
Yes,
once
tell
you
me.
placed in job, how much knowledge we need in Java? Because I don't know. Once you
No,
placed,
you don't need that much. Don't worry about it. The class will be sufficient for you to sustain in the real time.
Okay.
See, I told you in the starting, you people have come here with a hope, with aim. You don't need to join anywhere. No course, no knowledge, just focus on this class only. With this, it will be sufficient for you to sustain as well as to clear the interview, as well as to sustain the job. I will tell you all the techniques in the class to keep your job alive. We will teach you all the technique, including Google search techniques. I will teach you how to search in Google to get the answers. So that in real time, if you're stuck somewhere, how can I resolve it? Rupam, where will I get the help? What should I type in Google so that I get the answer right? So all these I will let you know. Right? So don't worry about it.
Thank you, sir.
This is Nil.
Yes.
So how many certification dump we can give? So suppose let's say there is a lot of certification.
Whatever dump we have, we will give you. Right? All these dumps are contributed by the previous batch students. Whoever has appeared the exam, they got the dumps from somewhere. See, we don't write exams so that we'll have a dump. It is contributed by the student only. The way the last batch has contributed, you will get it. Similarly, you people should also. Mhm.
What I'm trying to say here, this Salesforce has a lot of certification, right?
Correct.
So suppose let's
You
say
will get, see, 1 minute. I will not give you all the dumps of advanced paper. Nobody will do those papers. Everybody will do the platform developer or an app developer or an admin. That's it. So you
Okay.
will get a dump of only 3 papers. Nobody is here to do an Salesforce architect paper, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Because you are just beginner, right? So you will do the beginner certification. You will not do an advanced certification at this moment.
Okay.
I
got
don't
it.
think that in class, if anybody is there who will spend 40,000 for one certification. Anyone there? Because advanced paper will cost you minimum of 33 to 35,000 in India, official cost. Anybody wants to willing to do? I don't think so.
Okay.
Next.
Thank
Next. Next. Any questions? Okay, now I will quickly go through the question that is there in the chat window. Right, let me scroll down and check. Right, did I answer everything, Mr. Rupam? Will you be, okay, that is done. Is there any opportunity for fresher 2021 batch CSC? Yes, Sushmita, definitely for freshers, we do have a lot of opportunity. Right, your pay scale will be somewhere about average. I'm talking about 4.5 to 7. That will be your freshers package. Far better than anyone. Yes. Hi, this is Sarupa. I heard that we have more jobs in admin. Both admin and development has equal job. However, developers have more jobs than admin. In a project, if I require 20 developers, I'll have only 2 admin. So remember that developers always have more jobs. Next, right? Somebody has written such a big story, Vishal. Right? I am a civil completed construction management. Looks like Vishal has done everything. Right? How do I proceed with this? 2 years of gap. So Vishal, you need to put 2 years of your experience in Salesforce and then you have to proceed. Right? No problem. Next, you are telling us to be clear first. Sir, do we have class on the weekends? No, there is no class on weekend. On the screen, you can see that it's Monday to Friday. Next, Rutika Patil. Right. Hi, Rupam. Wanted to ask, recently I worked as Salesforce developer in TCS. My concept not clear because I just learned from Trailhead. Right. Perfect. That is the reason you are here in this class. Right. So if you are not clear with the Trailhead practice and everything, because you need to know the concepts, then only you can go to the Trailhead and do the practice. So you're in the right place where I'll teach you from zero and you will learn. And by the way, good that you're working in Salesforce. Very good. Next, Bhuvanesh, right? Bhuvaneshwaram. Okay. Mr. Rupam, what is the normal duration of completion of the Salesforce project? 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, right? If we work for 3 years, how much project I have to put? 2 projects. You have to put minimum of 2 projects, 2 to 3. That's it. Next, Praveen. Hi, sir. Could I get an explanation on real-time project? If I yes, my class will give you a real-time project exposure. That is what I was talking about in the demo class also. Right? I'm once again going down. 2 real-time projects. One complexity level minimum, second one complexity level medium, so that you get a complete flavor what happens in the real time. Next, I can't hear you. Thank you. Today is no technical discussion, right? That's good. Can you just any consultant after completion of the course? Yes, you can go with a consultant paper, right? Next, everyone, please share your mail ID to the organizer. Very good. Right now, people are sharing the mail ID. Right, let's scroll down. Sir, you teach admin development Lightning in classic interface? No, I'll be teaching it in Lightning because the future is in Lightning. However, Lightning development is a separate course. Remember that. You can see 4.B in the 4th point B topic. Complete I have given. Developments are of 3 types: UI development, logic development, integration. Again, UI development is split into 3: classic, Lightning, LWC. Lightning and LWC is a separate 3.5 months course, weekend, Saturday and Sunday, 4 hours. You can see that, right? 4A, 4AA, 4AB, AD. Clear? Next, everyone, and let me see. Hi, sir. Scrolling down, right? I'm scrolling down. People are pinging the email address. Okay, last, right? Hi, sir. In the right. Hi, Rupam. In my last 4 years of experience, my appointment letter living shows testing experience. Perfect. You can say that you have been developing testing classes for Salesforce. Amitabh, you can go ahead and you can say that you have been working as a testing, Salesforce testing. For last 4 years, you have been developing testing module for Salesforce. Any other questions? Anybody has any other questions?
Yes, Rob, I have one question. So without LWC, so what are the possible to get a job?
You have it. See, possibility is always there. However, every company is preferring Lightning and LWC because the future is Lightning and LWC. You go to job, you go to Naukri.com, search SFDC job, you will see that every job will say should have knowledge on LWC, should have exposure on Lightning and Aura. Because future is, right, classic Visualforce development is going away. And LWC is a separate programming. It's a separate, completely separate from Salesforce. That is the reason it's a separate course. Again, it will take 3.5 months. Does it mean that it will take 7 months, 3.5 months to complete Salesforce course and 3.5 months to complete? No. You can see that we'll start with 0. We'll come to the introduction. We will do the consulting. We will do the administration. We'll do the development. After we do the development, not after. At the time your 25% development completed, we will start your Lightning. That means after 1.5 months from now, from today, exactly after 6 weeks, your class will be Monday to Sunday. Monday to Friday, you will continue with development. Saturday and Sunday, you will continue with your Lightning. With your Lightning and LWC. So this will be 3.5 months, Lightning and LWC. Parallelly, your development also will be going on. So hence, it will take total 4.5 months to 5 months to complete this course. Full end-to-end, 0 to 100 will take 4.5 months to complete, including Lightning and LWC. 4.5 months it will take, right? After 1.5 months.
Is it included in this same course or?
Sorry?
So is it included in the same course or we have to?
No, I told you, Lightning development and LWC is a separate course. I've been telling this, again I'm repeating it. Lightning development, separate course. I've clearly put it in the demo class also. It's a separate course, 3.5 months, right? It's an advanced course.
Okay.
You have to pay separately for that.
And you have to go around with these 2 courses at a time after 1.5 or 2 months, right?
Correct.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Any other questions? Anyone? That depends on you. See, Lightning is a future requirement. Lightning and LWC are future requirement. Companies are asking this today, right? Most of the interview when you go, they are asking this. It doesn't mean that without doing this course, will I get a job? No, you can, 100%. Right? However, yes.
Repeat that, like I got confused. Like Lightning is like after 1.5 months, you told it will be started from weekend.
Correct.
So for that also we should take separately and we should parallelly run both the classes, right?
Correct.
Okay, thank you.
You're not confused. You are 100% cleared.
Okay.
Right? Perfect. Once again, I'm repeating, Lightning development and LWC is a separate course. It is an advanced course. Today, every company is asking this because all the new projects that coming up in Salesforce is coming up in Lightning and LWC only. All the existing projects project which were already implemented 5 years back, 3 years back, support project, or any type of change request, a project needs to be enhanced, change, they are coming on Classic. Right? Your course covers Classic development, not the Lightning development. Classic development. On the UI part, your course is covering Classic. But for both Lightning and Classic, Apex is same. The Apex development of Apex is same. Only the UI changes. UI. Right? So if you still have a doubt, don't worry. Keep the doubt like that only. What is this, Rupam? As you go inside, you'll be able to understand. Right? Anyhow, you cannot join this course right now. You have to join after, right? After development only. So just keep it aside. Right? I'm not sure today I'll be able to start the class or not. Yes, tell me. Let's clear the doubt then. Right? Anybody has any other questions?
Yeah, Rupam, is it need to necessarily learn the 2 courses at a time?
It is necessary. No, it is not. You can join one after one. No issues at all. But it will take 7 months for you to complete them. 3.5 months this, 3.5 months that. So if you are willing to wait for 7 months and then apply for a job after 1 year, then it's your choice. We just want to cut short your time. That is the reason Monday to Friday will be a regular class on Salesforce development, and the specialized course Lightning and LWC will be during the weekend. Weekend 2 hours, Saturday 2, Sunday 2, total 4 hours. It will go up to 3.5 months. That means up to 15 to 16 weekends it will go. A full-fledged course. Rupam, why it is different? Because the programming is completely different. Because the tools are completely different. Right? It's completely different set of programs. Here, whatever you are doing in Apex program, there it's not Apex. There it's JavaScript. Lightning JavaScript. So that is the reason why it's a separate course. Right? Next, any other questions? Any other questions? Anybody has any other questions? Any other questions?
Hi, Rupam.
Yes, tell me.
When we are going to do real-time project
after completion of the 80% of your development, 85% of the course is done, right? Okay. Then we will get into the project.
Someone don't want to learn lighting, all those things.
Sorry, no. You know, you need not to write. You need not to learn Lightning and then complete. No. Okay. When you complete 80% of this course, I'm not talking about Lightning. So don't bring Lightning now into this course. Okay, keep it aside. Throw it out. Right? Let's not discuss about Lightning at this moment. Keep it aside. So after 85%, all the core topics, when we complete, then we will get into the project. Yeah. Next. Anybody has any other doubts? Anybody has any other doubts? For any type of doubts, please refer to the demo video. 24th this month, when the demo was happened, right? 4 days back, I conducted a demo. People who have attended, they are completely clear. Those who are not, can please ask. There you have each and every details. When the class starts, what is I'm covering, what I'm not covering, right? What you're getting from me, right? What you're getting from me, resume building, 500 interview questions, course material, class recording, right? 2 real-time projects, certification guidance, job assistance, up to 3.5 years of confidence is all you will get here.
Hello, hi Rupam.
Yes, sir. Hi. Tell me.
Yeah, where can I get this demo everything? Because I have missed my class today.
So please contact Capital Info Solution.
Okay. I will be
Capital Info
contacting
Solution, right? Contact them, right? You can go to the Google and type Capital Info if you don't know their number, right? And you
I have
can go ahead and
the number.
contact
I have the number.
those who don't know. It's for them.
Okay. Thank you.
Capital
Thank
Info
you.
Solution. Perfect. So lightning development admin. Okay, right. Tell me, you have the number there, right? Anybody has any other questions? I'll be the complete end-to-end trainer, including Lightning and LWC, just to let you know. Right? See, LWC is starting from 5th June. Date is already there. You can see. Anybody has any questions? You can wish, right, Vikasu? After completion administrator job, you can, but very rare. Chances is less. Perfect. Now, let's start. First thing, tomorrow onwards, everybody will come with a book. I will give you classroom notes and you have to write down. Even though you will get a soft copy of the course material, however, I will give you the notes. Next, second thumb rule. Please do not try to attend your class with an Airtel 598 package, 84 days, 2 GB every day free. That is good for your WhatsApp and YouTube, but not for the class. I will definitely recommend to have a dedicated internet connection. If you're thinking that with an Airtel with a Geo package of 2 GB per day package, you will be able to attend the classes, then wrong. Don't come to me, Rupam, voice inapadtaledu. Rupam, screen is not moving. I can't hear you. Right? Remember that the problem will not be always from my side. From my side, my internet connection is quite stable and perfect. I'm testing in front of you and showing you. I have 100 Mbps dedicated connection. Right? So please make sure that you have a dedicated internet connection at least for the next 3 months. Right? Because every day somebody will tell your voice is not audible, your screen is not moving, I cannot see, I cannot hear. So please do not depend on your Airtel package. Second, right?
Sir,
In my class,
sorry for the
thank
interruption,
you.
sir.
Please wait.
Sorry. Yeah.
Please wait.
Yeah, sure.
Next, in my class, ask doubts. Whenever you are not able to understand, don't care about others. Let others go to hell. Telugu, Pakkorni Gangalavoni. Let your neighbor go to hell. You care about yourself. Don't care about others in the class. If you are not able to understand, please call it out. Hey Rupam, can you please repeat this? I will definitely not mind to repeat this question. Answer. I might correct you, but doesn't mean that I'm stopping you for asking questions. I just want to correct you to make you as a professional while asking questions also. You should be looking as a 3.5 years experience from every angle, not only from the paper, that on the paper you put 3.5 years. When you speak, when you talk, when you walk, you should show that you are a 3.5 year experience. When you open your mouth, people will understand that you're a fake, which I don't want. That is the reason during the classroom, I might be correcting you while you ask the doubt. You have started observing from today itself. I've been telling people don't beat around the bush. Come to the point directly. An experienced candidate will never give the Ramayana and Mahabharata. They will directly come and say, who is Sita? rather than telling our lady, for that lady, that full yuddham happened, Rama went to Lanka, and then, he killed Meghnath, he killed Meghdut, right? That there's a monkey, Hanuman went there, right? Actually, I want to know, who is that Sita? Don't tell me all these Ramayana stories. Come directly to the point. Rupam, in Ramayana, who is Sita? That's it. This is called professionalism. In real time, every day you will have a standby call for 30 minutes. There'll be a team of 30 people. Out of that, you cannot take 2 minutes to ask a question. If everybody take 2 minutes, then it will be 60 minutes call. Immediately your project manager will say, hey, hello, please, right? Some name. Hello, Mr. X. Tell me what is your doubt, right? So come to the point directly, guys. Never show your nose, round your head and then point to the nose. Directly point to the nose. Still, if I'm not able to understand, then you give the explanation. I'll say, sorry, I didn't get it. Sita, which Sita are you talking about? Now you tell me the story. Rupam, you remember that, Rama went to Lanka, killed Ravana, that monkey also went. I'm talking about that Sita. If the person doesn't understand, then you give the reference. Otherwise, directly hit the point. Everybody is experienced here. I don't think that in my class there is anybody who is a 9th class, 10th class student or 18 years, 15 years. Any teens in my class? Teenagers? No. Everybody is about 20. And you are about to enter in a Infosys, TCS, big company. You're expecting a job. You need to prepare yourself for that such type of company environment. And that is what I'll be doing in the class. Don't think your trainer is arrogant. He is stopping me to ask that out. No, he is correcting you. Don't ever feel that. That is the reason I'm calling it out. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask doubts. Please do not hesitate, right? I'll be the only trainer who will keep on asking you, guys, any doubt? Guys, any doubt? Guys, able to understand. No other trainer will do that. Every trainer will teach. You only will ask, excuse me, sir. Adugute adagandi, lepote bondi. If you want to ask, ask, otherwise go. This is what the other trainer does. But in my class, I keep on asking. Don't fear from your trainer. I'm not a bad guy. I'm not going to eat you away. Right? So feel free. I might correct you. Don't feel bad on those corrections. That's exactly what I'm calling it out. Right? Believe me, this is not a wrong course, guys. Right? This is definitely not a wrong course. Don't think that just for sake of making you join this course, no. I am working in a multinational company as a solution architect. My salary is far enough to sustain my family. Whatever these classes I'm taking, these are my passion. Teaching is a passion. I teach in universities for MBAs. Right? As you go with me, you'll understand who I am. That is the reason I'm in teaching. All this money that I take it, right? I give it to my wife. It goes to her account rather than mine. My institute is with me. Even, right, my institute admin is also there on the call. Even they're also listening this. So don't think that I'm here, to cut you, to make you join this course. Definitely not. Trust me, you're not in a wrong course. I want your effort. If you're able to put your effort with me, whatever the homeworks I'm giving, you will do, you will send it to me, right? Give your 4 months to this course. Complete dedication. I give you that assurance and guarantee that you'll get a job. I give you that assurance that after completion of this course, you will get minimum 5 to 10 interview calls from big companies like TCS, Infosys, Accenture, not from Speed Technology, Banjara Hills, Test Technology, Jubilee Hills, Internet Solution, Somajigoda. I'm not talking about 2-bedroom house company, 2 BHK companies, not small 2 BHK companies. I am talking about global G500, global 500 multinational companies. You will get a 10 interview calls. Tell me, any trainer will give you this guarantee that after course you'll get a 10 interview calls, right? You will not. This trainer is giving you, and the call is getting recorded, by the way. It's on record, I'm giving you. Tell me, if you get 10 interview calls, if you're not able to crack one, then you are a waste fellow or I'm a waste fellow. Any one thing. Either as a trainer, I didn't teach you to the real-time exposure so that you're not able to answer in the interview, or as a trainee, you didn't learn from me, you didn't put enough practice. That's the reason you're not able to perform in the interview. There can be only two scenarios, right? So hence, right, this is a good course. Final 2 minutes I will take and then I'll disconnect. We'll start the theoretical class from tomorrow, right? So give your 3.5 months to 4 months, 4.5 months. That's what I'm asking from you. If you're really interested in making a career for next 20 years, if you don't want to change I cannot give lifetime guarantee, but at least I can give you next 20 years guarantee. You don't need to change the technology. 50% of your life will be, and by then you'll earn enough. Whatever the money you're placing in this course, I give you that assurance. You're seeing the emails and packages, right? I started my class with that 9.5 lakh package. We are charging peanuts. Your certification is costlier more than our course. Your any 02 papers, Salesforce official certification 02 papers. Any second level paper is $400 plus taxes. 4 7s are, right? 4 8s are 36 plus taxes. Almost 40,000 is your certification cost, one paper. We are charging far less than that. Right? Just to give you, everything, all the clarity. Whatever you're investing, 100% you will get back in the half-month salary of your first job. Half-month salary, not even half months. Within 5 days when you join, 5 days of your salary of a month, this course fee will be covered. If you find better trainer than me, please happily join there. But I can give you a complete assurance that I'm working in a real time, guys. Right? I'm not a dummy trainer. I handle real-time issues. See, this is my official inbox, SFDC, right? Every day, see, these type of ticket comes to me. You can see that July SFDC refresh completed. Data refresh was over. You can see sales org, service org, right? All these real-time tickets comes to us. Issues, right? We handle. So you will learn with me real-time issues and everything. That's for sure. Most of you might have come or came here with recommendations of your friends, families, your brothers, sisters, those who have got the job. They would have recommended my name, couple of them. So they are not wrong to recommend my name because they got the benefit. So they are recommending to a right person. Perfect. So with this note, right, let's meet tomorrow. Same link, right? Come with your notes with a fresh mind. Have the trust and faith on the trainer as well as in the course that you're not in a wrong course. It's the right course, right? That's it from my end, right? Let's meet tomorrow, right? Yep, Jitendra, right? No child labor in the class, right? So thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Last, right? Same link. Be here on time. Don't come on 7:05, 7:10. I will start your class exactly at 7:02. I'm a person who is time punctual. So be here on time. Okay. So thank you, guys. Have a nice and wonderful day. Let's meet tomorrow, same time. Bye-bye, guys. Take care.
Thank you.